I chose to do 2 cinemagraphs for this project. The first one embodies who I am as an educator, and the second one highlights one area of biology that students struggle with. I hope that the viewer experiences the teamwork, the collaboration between the 2 rowers as they use both of their strengths to move the boat forward and backwards. A lot of times I think my students think they know what collaboration is, but in reality they don't. So I hope by showing them this image, this will kind of become ingrained in their minds, and they'll be able to see what that collaboration actually looks like, so that they're able to experience it visually and then interpret that into practice. When designing this image, I really wanted to showcase people working together, and I thought this was a great example. Both rowers have to move in the same direction in order for the boat to move, and I think both, when you collaborate with one or multiple people, you all have to move in the same direction. Additionally, that back and forth movement kind of shows a give and take in a collaborative environment. You have to be able to listen, you have to be able to speak, you have to be able to make compromise. So that back and forth motion is really there. I did get some feedback. It was suggested that the boat move one direction throughout the image, entering and leaving the frame in one direction. I did try to do that. However, since I was filming on a dock, my background, the foliage moved and didn't make for such a smooth image. Additionally, you can see kind of the water moving here. It was very difficult to kind of lasso to make the boat be able to move and not make the water. So that was definitely a challenge for me. My second GIF highlights photosynthesis. You have 3 of the ingredients to the process. You have the water that's needed, sunlight, and then carbon dioxide, which is found in air. Normally, students really struggle with the idea of carbon dioxide. How is air really a part of photosynthesis? So that was something that I wanted to highlight really in this GIF. To highlight air, carbon dioxide, I decided to make a plant move. I would hope that students would say, why is that plant moving? How is that involved in photosynthesis? How does the wind or movement of air contribute? It would maybe start to have students ask questions about that. So I initially had all the plants moving, but then it was suggested that I have only one plant move, and I think that actually turned out for the better. It really encourages students to focus on that one plant instead of looking all over throughout the image and seeing the entire plants move. So I really think that students are able to now not only see all the components of photosynthesis, but really focus in on carbon dioxide and the role that air plays in the process. I really enjoyed making these GIFs, both of them. They're both a bit of a challenge, but I appreciate the opportunity to get more practice with these tools. Thanks.